children. So today again we are going to continue separation of materials. How materials we can separate. So one more experiment is there related to that. We are going to separate the iron filings. If it is going to mix, sometimes what will happen, to increase the weight of the, like a powder, this, that, everything, rice powder and some other powder, wheat powder, this, that, everything, to increase the weight, what they are going to do, this iron filings are available. These iron filings usually in workshops where they are going to grinding iron, cutting iron, so there it's easily available. They are going to take this and they are going to mix with that powder what we are going to use in our daily life. So now I have, for this experiment we need materials or this watch glass we are having, and a sulfur powder and iron filings, magnet and spatula. This process we are going to call it as magnetic separation. Magnetic separation. What we have to do? We have to take some sulfur powder, okay, sulfur powder and watch glass. Sulfur powder and watch glass, and take some iron filings and mix it. Now this is the mixture of sulfur and iron. What I need, I have to separate this with magnetic separation. See, I have a magnet here. With magnetic separation, I can separate it. See, you can observe. See, all iron filings, we can separate it. The sulfur powder are remaining there. This is the one method of separation, is going to call it as magnetic separation. And one more experiment I want to show you in our daily life, in our kitchen. I think most of the students, you saw this. This we are going to call it as sieve. In Kannada, we are going to call it as jaradi. So we have different plates are here. This is the smaller one. It's a little bigger one. If you need fine powder, you have to fix this. You have to fix this, and you have to do like this. And if you want rough powder, you have to fix like this, and you have to sieve. See, I have mixture of rice and what is this? Children don't know. Okay. See, now I have a mixture of rice powder and some dal. See, here. This is sieving. See, rice powder is separated, the dal is separated. So this we are going to call it as sieving. This is one method. We are going to separation of mixtures. This is also one method we are going to use in our daily life. Thank you, children.